Okay, so now we're in Unit 4, Lesson 3, Part 2, and we're regrouping again, but this time through subtraction. Subtraction might be a little bit more complicated, but I think we'll get it. It's just going to involve a lot of practice. So I have 19 and 1/6 minus 6 and 4/6. So you'll notice right away that there's a problem with this. So when you try to perform the operation 1 minus 4, you can't do. It's going to give you a negative number. I can't take away 4 from 1. Okay, it's impossible without getting a negative number. So this is where we need to alter something. Okay, and in doing so, this is where we're going to start the regrouping process. Okay, so I need to alter this fraction and make it bigger. But remember, I can never change the overall value of a number. So I still have to keep the value of this top number as 19 and 1/6. I just need to put it in a different format. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow a whole number from the 19 and give it to the fractional part of 1/6. So I'm going to borrow a whole number from the 19 and give it to the fractional part of 1/6 to make that 1/6 bigger. In doing so, since I'm borrowing it from the 19 and I'm taking it away from the 19 and putting it onto the 1/6, I'm not changing the value of 19 and 1/6. I'm just placing it somewhere else in that mixed number. So it's still the same value, okay? So you can see down here, I crossed off 19 now becomes 18 because I took one whole away from it. So I have 1/6. So again, the whole I want to create is 6/6. So I can add it together, right? Because I need to have a common denominator for me to add. So I have 1/6 plus 6/6 gives me 7/6. Now, can I do 7 minus 4? Yeah, so that works for me. So now I'm going to do 7 minus 4 gives me 3/6. Now I just need to simplify it. So 3/6 equals 1/2. So my fractional part now is 1/2. Now I just have to do my whole number part. When you do your whole number part, you need to remember it's not 19 anymore because you took one away and gave it over here. So your whole number over here is 18. So you're going to say 18 minus 6. So 18 minus 6 is 12. So your final number is 12.5. That's your final number. Okay, let's try one together. So here's subtraction. So again, you're supposed to look. As soon as you look, the first thing you should notice is you can't take 5 away from 3. Okay, so I know right away I am going to be regrouping and borrowing 1 and placing a 1 over here. Okay, so I'm going to cross this off and make this a 2. When I cross this off and make this a 2, that means I'm adding a 1 to my fraction part. So now I have 9/9. I chose 9. Remember, any number over itself is 1. So I'm adding the 1 over here. And I chose it to be 9/9 because the denominator is 9. And that's the only way I can add these two together. All right? So 9 plus 3 is 12/9. So now I have 12/9 minus 5/9. Can I do that? Absolutely, I can do that. So 12 minus 5 is 7/9. Okay. Now I have 2 minus 1 is 1. It looks like, however, it looks like we're going to have to regroup again. And why is that? Oh, never mind. I'm so sorry. I don't have to regroup again. So now I have 1. So 2 minus 1. Remember, don't take the 3 because the 3 is gone. 2 minus 1 is 1. And I have 7/9. So my final answer is 1 7/9. prime number. 7 doesn't go into 9 evenly, so it's simplified. So the last part of laps, you don't need to do. It's already simplified for you. Okay. So that's how you regroup through subtraction. So you're really borrowing that 1 and putting the 1 in the fractional part to make that fraction bigger so you can subtract. I want you to spend some time practicing this skill. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me and have fun practicing. Bye now.